How to fix voice chat not working in Valorant. Now, this is really a specific or a common issue that happens all the time on this specific game right here. But the troubleshooting steps or the checks that I'm going to be giving you, that's if you don't have any issues from the game settings itself. Now, the very main goal here is to match the current input and output device that you have on your PC directly into the Valorant game. So what you want to do to check out first is to go into the Windows icon and type in sound settings and choose on sound settings, and you will be given out another window. Now, as you can see, if you go under output, you should be able to um, check all the speakers or even microphones that you attach into your PC. You can also check out under input, and you need to make sure that under input and output from your operating system or directly from your PC actually matches on your Valorant settings. That's it. It's fixed. That is how you troubleshoot and fix Valorant voice chat is not working.